Kawasudo nyako Ramogi ni Gavana Masia James Orengo gi jaod bura mar Arieda Otiende Amollo osiro paro mar techo oko e apisi jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua ka giwacho ni piny Kenya dwaro jatelo mariwo wi Jokenya kaachiel gi kelo dongruok ne gwenge duto ma Thurka ka giwuoyo bang' romo e kanisa mar ACK Rarieda. Jotelogo wacho ni kaka jotelo Masia gisiro wachno kendo giweyo mondo Senate obi otiek tich mar golo Gachagua e ofis.
For we are confident that that process will be finalized because there is no space for tribalists in this country. There is no space for bigots, and there is no space for those who belittle others, whether individuals or ethnicities. There's a lot that needs to be fixed. We as ODM, we are in an arrangement to work with government, but it does not stop us from pointing out the things that are wrong. And there are three things that must still be fixed. One of them is this shift from NHIF to the new system, which is completely not fair. We are not persuaded that the Adani deal for the airport is a good deal for Kenya. Speaking for myself, is the question of handling of university students in terms of banding. Even in my constituency, and every day I get so many complaints.
National Assembly has done its bit. The rest remains with the constitutional processes that remain. And people should not think that this is out of the ordinary.